Today we're diving into the top 5 luxury vehicles that redefine power and ultimate luxury. These rides aren't just cars, they're a statement of dominance and prestige. Welcome to Auto Xplore USA today. We're taking a look at a luxury motorhome that represents the pinnacle of comfort, technology, and design on wheels. This motorhome is not just a vehicle, it is a statement of what the future of travel can feel like. From the outside, the sleek and futuristic body immediately commands attention with smooth aerodynamic lines, a bold grille, and expansive windows that make it look more like a moving mansion than a simple RV. Every detail has been engineered to deliver elegance and power, and once you step inside, the transformation from a motorhome to a luxury retreat is undeniable. The living area is designed to feel like a high-end apartment, with leather recliner sofas, ambient LED lighting, and large panoramic windows that let natural light pour in. A massive curved smart TV sits at the center, perfectly integrated into the design for both entertainment and convenience. The glossy flooring and metallic accents create a modern aesthetic that rivals five-star hotels. This motorhome isn't just about moving from one destination to another. It is about creating an environment where travel feels like a lifestyle upgrade. In the bedroom, comfort reaches an entirely new level. A king-size bed with a glowing LED frame gives a futuristic feel, while the panoramic ceiling transforms into a starlit sky at night. It feels as if you're sleeping under the open cosmos, but with all the comfort and security of home. Hidden storage units blend seamlessly into the design, maximizing space without compromising style. The atmosphere is calm, elegant, and designed to help you recharge in absolute peace after a long day of exploring. The kitchen is equally advanced, featuring smart appliances that can be controlled with voice commands or touch panels. Glossy counters with gold accents, under-cabinet lighting, and a sleek dining area make it feel like a modern city penthouse kitchen. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or a gourmet meal, this kitchen makes cooking on the road a luxury experience rather than a compromise. At the front, the cockpit is where the futuristic design truly shines. With holographic displays, touch-sensitive control panels, and captain's chairs wrapped in premium leather, it feels like piloting a high-tech spacecraft rather than driving a motorhome. The panoramic windshield gives the driver and passengers a breathtaking view of the road ahead, making every journey just as exciting as the destination itself. This luxury motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a masterpiece of design and innovation. It combines the thrill of adventure with the sophistication of modern living, creating a unique blend of freedom and luxury. For those who want to travel without sacrificing comfort, style, or technology, this motorhome sets the standard for the future. This luxury motorhome stands as a seamless fusion of futuristic design and unmatched comfort. From the moment you see it, the bold exterior leaves an impression of strength and elegance. Smooth curves flow into sharp angles, while the oversized tinted windows give it a commanding yet refined presence on the road. It doesn't just look like a motorhome. It looks like a moving luxury estate crafted for those who value both style and freedom. Inside, the living space is where sophistication truly takes center stage. Plush recliner seating upholstered in premium leather, a large wall-mounted smart screen, and mood-setting ambient lighting make the lounge feel like an upscale city loft. The wide panoramic windows create an airy atmosphere, blurring the line between indoors and outdoors. Every inch is crafted with precision, offering both functionality and modern elegance. Moving into the bedroom, this motorhome delivers pure relaxation. A spacious queen-size bed with an illuminated frame serves as the centerpiece, surrounded by soft-touch walls and ambient glow lighting that create a calming retreat. The ceiling panel can transform into a starlit display, letting travelers fall asleep under the illusion of a night sky. Ample hidden storage ensures a clutter-free environment, allowing style and serenity to flow seamlessly. The kitchen is both sleek and smart, fitted with advanced appliances that respond to voice and touch commands. Marble-inspired countertops, gold-trimmed cabinets, and subtle underlighting elevate the cooking space into something far beyond ordinary. Whether preparing a casual breakfast or a fine dining meal, this kitchen turns cooking into a luxurious experience on the road. The bathroom matches the elegance of high-end hotels, featuring a rainfall shower, touchless fixtures, and a spacious vanity with backlit mirrors. It reflects the idea that travel doesn't have to mean compromise, but instead can enhance everyday comfort with premium features. At the front, The cockpit feels like a futuristic command center. High-resolution displays, holographic navigation, and ergonomic captain's chairs create an experience closer to piloting a luxury spacecraft than driving a traditional RV. The expansive windshield offers sweeping views, ensuring the journey is as breathtaking as the destination. This motorhome isn't simply about travel. It's about redefining what travel can be. It blends innovation, elegance, and performance into one extraordinary package, making every mile feel like an indulgence. It captures the essence of modern exploration, freedom without sacrifice and luxury without limits. This luxury motorhome redefines mobility with a design that feels both futuristic and timeless. The exterior immediately commands attention with its sculpted frame, sleek matte finish, and bold LED accents running across the body. The oversized glass panels create a sense of openness, while the aerodynamic structure ensures smooth performance on highways. It doesn't just move, it makes a statement, combining power with elegance. Step inside and the interior feels more like a five-star residence than a vehicle. The main lounge is an expansive open-plan space, complete with designer furniture and an entertainment system that rivals home theaters. Plush seating arrangements, ambient floor lighting, and a 360-degree audio system create an environment that's perfect for both relaxation and hosting guests. The wide panoramic windows flood the space with natural light, giving travelers a sense of freedom even while indoors. The master bedroom is designed with ultimate comfort in mind. A king-size bed with premium bedding sits at the center, accompanied by hidden storage, soft acoustic panels, and a digital skylight that shifts from daylight to starlight on command. This isn't just a place to rest. It's a personal sanctuary designed to recharge both body and mind after long journeys. The kitchen stands out with its advanced smart features. Touchscreen panels control induction cooktops, refrigeration, and even automated coffee brewing. Glossy countertops, modern fixtures, and seamless cabinetry blend elegance with practicality. Whether preparing a quick meal or a full-course dinner, the space feels like a professional chef's studio crafted for the road. The bathroom is equally impressive, offering a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and a vanity setup that mirrors luxury hotel standards. With motion sensor lighting and a minimalist design, it's a private retreat that elevates the travel experience far beyond the ordinary. At the front, the cockpit embodies cutting-edge technology. Dual digital displays, AI-assisted navigation, and adaptive driving modes provide a futuristic driving experience. The captain's chairs are built for comfort during long hours, with full ergonomic support and integrated massage functions. The expansive windshield frames the horizon like a cinematic view, turning every drive into a journey of discovery. This motorhome combines style, technology, and comfort in a way few vehicles can. It's not just about reaching destinations, it's about experiencing them with the highest standard of living on wheels. For those who want every journey to feel like a luxury escape, this motorhome offers a glimpse of the future of travel. This luxury motorhome is designed to impress at first glance, with a bold exterior that balances modern aesthetics and refined details. The streamlined body features sweeping curves, integrated LED light strips, and a glossy metallic finish that reflects elegance on the road. Large retractable slide-outs expand the interior space, while concealed storage solutions outside keep everything organized for long-distance travel. Its commanding presence makes it look less like a vehicle and more like a moving architectural masterpiece. Inside, the atmosphere feels like stepping into a luxury penthouse. The main living space is fitted with sleek leather recliners, a convertible sofa, and a massive smart TV that doubles as a digital art display when not in use. Subtle ambient lighting, combined with climate control that adjusts automatically, ensures complete comfort in any environment. The panoramic windows enhance the sense of space, offering breathtaking views whether parked in nature or cruising through cities. The master suite delivers an unmatched level of comfort. Featuring a plush king-size bed with memory foam and adjustable settings, it's designed to guarantee rest after long journeys. Smart storage units built into the walls maintain a clutter-free space while maintaining style. A ceiling panel simulates a night sky with customizable constellations, creating a relaxing environment that feels uniquely personal. The kitchen embodies modern convenience. Outfitted with high-end appliances such as a convection oven, induction stove, and temperature-controlled wine cooler, it feels like a professional kitchen on wheels. Quartz countertops, soft close drawers, and intelligent lighting add sophistication, making it equally suitable for quick meals or full gourmet cooking experiences. The bathroom offers spa-level features, with a rainfall shower, heated towel racks, and high-quality fixtures that blend luxury with function. The space maximizes comfort with elegant tile work and a backlit vanity mirror that adds to the upscale feel. Every detail is carefully designed to provide a refreshing break during travels. At the front, the cockpit transforms driving into an effortless experience. With advanced driver assist technologies, voice-activated controls, and customizable digital dashboards, navigating any terrain becomes smooth and stress-free. The captain's chairs are designed with long-haul comfort in mind, offering ergonomic support, heating, and massage functions. The wide windshield enhances visibility, giving every ride a panoramic cinematic view of the journey ahead. This motorhome stands as a symbol of innovation and luxury combined, delivering both style and substance. Every feature is designed to bring the comforts of a premium lifestyle to the open road, making it more than just transportation. It's an experience of living without limits. This luxury motorhome stands out as the perfect blend of innovation, comfort, and bold design. Its exterior is nothing short of striking, featuring a streamlined silhouette, sculpted lines, and chrome accents that give it an unmistakable presence on the highway. Expansive slide-outs extend seamlessly to create more living space, while hidden compartments provide generous storage for outdoor gear, making it both practical and visually stunning. The full-length LED lighting strips create a futuristic glow, ensuring this motorhome turns heads wherever it goes. Step inside, and the interior feels like entering a private luxury suite. The living room is furnished with Italian leather seating, a convertible lounge sofa, and a large 4K smart TV enhanced with surround sound. The open concept layout emphasizes space and comfort, while advanced lighting systems adjust to mood and time of day. Wide panoramic windows flood the space with natural light and frame beautiful landscapes outside, creating an atmosphere that blends modern technology with a cozy, home-like feel. The master bedroom redefines road trip comfort. A king-size smart bed with customizable firmness, built-in charging ports, and underbed storage makes it both comfortable and efficient. Above, a ceiling projection system creates customizable lighting effects, from calming night skies to dynamic patterns, offering a uniquely relaxing environment after a long day of travel. The kitchen is designed for the modern traveler, who doesn't compromise on quality. It includes a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and dishwasher, all integrated seamlessly into sleek cabinetry. Polished stone countertops and a hidden pull-out pantry maximize efficiency without sacrificing elegance. This is a space where gourmet meals can be prepared just as easily as quick snacks. The bathroom feels like a personal spa retreat. It features a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a backlit mirror with built-in smart displays. Premium finishes such as marble-inspired tiles and stainless steel fixtures elevate the experience, while practical touches like heated towel racks and ample storage ensure everyday convenience. In the cockpit, advanced technology transforms driving into pure pleasure. The digital dashboard integrates navigation, weather updates, and entertainment into one streamlined interface. Adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and a 360-degree camera system ensure safety, while the captain's chairs offer massage functions, heating, and cooling for maximum driving comfort. This motorhome is more than a luxury vehicle. It's a statement of freedom, independence, and style. It offers the perfect fusion of comfort and innovation, making every journey as extraordinary as the destination itself. With its cutting-edge design and refined living spaces, it redefines what it means to travel in luxury on the open road. For more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Auto Xplore USA.